We're going to Almaya. Sa Almaya Island and Resort. Kakatapos lang namin sumakay ng boat. Please join us as we spend our few hours here. I'll keep you posted. This is their restaurant. Parang napakalaki ng restaurant nila. That's the pool area. Tapos nandun yung beach. So the towels being collected from here. So they have a lot of deer. Ayun. This is the pool area. There's a lot of sun lounges where the guests can relax. My travel buddy for today. And this is heading to the villas. They have a lot of villas, different prices. There's in the middle, there's a cabana, big cabana where the guests can get towels. The one that I've showed a while ago. So there, it's currently hot at this time, but we're still enjoying the scenery and the view. And so this is the locker room. Marami silang lockers where the guests can put their valuables. Those are toilets. These are changing room. They also have a shower room, and the other side is vanity area. What's your experience? Kumusta? Did you enjoy Almaya? Yes, you enjoy. But it's so hot, diba? Yes.
Nice.
Babalik ka ba dito?
Yes.
Everyone, so we're back. Ayun, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Nag-ikot-ikot kami sa Almaya. Ay, nag-ikot-ikot kami sa resort. Tapos, ang init lang talaga. Mainit pa ngayon dahil it's still September pa. Lalamig dito sa UAE pag mga November-ish, mga ganun. Ngayon, nag-swimming lang kami. Tapos, naghihintay kami ngayon ng boat. Pabalik ng city. May timing sila. I will be sharing it also in the video. Tapos, nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant. Naghihintay ng boat while waiting for the boat. They have the QR. You can show the QR for the menu. Yeah. Okay. Ayan. So yes. Pag pumunta kayo dito, may restaurant in the middle na pwede kayong kumain. May cuisine, sa menu. May kids din, so pwede din ng kids. According dun kay Chris, dun sa waiter na nakausap namin kanina, usually daw, busy season, I mean, super peak talaga, high peak dito during December. Napupuno daw talaga, like 1,000 covers, 1,000 guests yung average nila dito daily. So, ayun. So, yes, as of this month, meron silang ladies free pass until 3 p.m. Kasi I believe pag 3 p.m. so meron silang live entertainment. So, ayun. Nandun yung live entertainment nila. So, yes guys. I'll be sharing some clips para makita nyo yung activity namin dito. But we actually enjoyed it as well. Only that, kailangan ko nang umuwi. Kailangan namin bumalik ng city dahil kasama ang aking anakis. Yun. So, and it's Saturday, so I also need to spend time with them. Thank you!
And this is the restaurant. They offer a lot of menu options.
Chandelier is very nice.
They also have water activities here, so where you can check on their website. Yeah. This is the entrance from the docking area. That's our boat. That's our boat. So yes, we're gonna be riding there. Ito yung policy nila for the beach party. Every afternoon may beach party sila, so you can go through all of it. And this one. Yeah, we can ride now. That's the city, Abu Dhabi City.